YouTube. Shout out my nigga Rich, you know what I'm talking about. But what's up, YouTube? What's good? It's a different intro. I know y'all see. Y'all haven't seen me hold the camera in a minute, just in my hand. But in this video, I basically retwisted my cousin's hair and basically my other cousin's hair too. And they were just some crazy transformations. If you know me, you know I twist people's hair. For a cheap price, you in Houston, you need your hair retwisted, hit me up on IG. I'm gonna be in Houston till July 1st. And for those of y'all who liked those videos where I was recording on my phone and just talking some real stuff, I'll link it above right now. I made a second channel. I called it The Mind of Razzaq. It should be the first link in the bio. But honestly, without any further ado, dog, let's just get into this video and y'all tell me if you like it. This whole might be a mess. This video might be a mess, like real talk. But I had fun making it. So y'all give me y'all's feedback. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Watch the whole video. Watch the whole video. But I'll catch y'all on the back end of it.
One day, I'ma have it one day. And I'm just trying to count up the cake. Just trying to scoot off in the race. Fun niggas stay in your place. Yeah. Me and my niggas don't play. You hate on my drip every day, but I'm still gonna make a way. Yeah.
Alright, man. Tell them how long you had your dress for.
2 months and a week.
2 months and a week. Go ahead and give him a little 360. Show him how rough it's been. This man hasn't had a retwist for all quarantine. Hasn't had a chop, no nothing. As you can see, it's past due. It's past due. So I'm gonna show y'all my magic, get to work on it, and we'll come back after.
Swag stupid, and I'm smoking dope. Got me feeling so fruity. Ooh, she's a thot, I'm a beat out of booty. And the style is raw, but I'm not no damn suit. Swag blast, 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 swag.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Alright, as y'all can see, I'm goated. Like, I think that this right here just proves that I'm officially the best loctician in all of Houston. Y'all saw the before. You see the after. I don't gotta say much. I really don't gotta say much. Like, show these niggas one more time, man. Yo, you see this? I think that's it. I don't even really have much else to say. Let me straighten up. I don't got much else to say. What you gotta say for yourself? How do you feel after this retwist?
No, this shit crazy, I'm not gonna lie. This shit crazy. What the heck?
They called it unfixable. They said it was done. I think I'm the GOAT. Like, I think I'm the GOAT. Like, that's it. Dang, still only 7 minutes. I gotta delete. Dang, I should have downloaded this to my camera. Oh. Alright, y'all. As y'all see, we got Allah back.
What's up? It's Allah.
I haven't seen him in a long minute. I'll link the video up above right now. And we back with another retwist, dog. As y'all can see, bro, this man's locks have gotten they're very mature compared to what they were at before. Kind of crazy. They're moving real fast. Kind of stiff. But today we just got a retwist video. How you feeling about your locks, bro?
Nah, it's cool. You know, not taking as much care of them as I should, but you know, growing them.
Hey, that's all I gotta tell y'all for now, though. This is just the intro. And I guess I'll see y'all niggas when we start the retwist. Alright, my guy.
You done?
As y'all can see, we finished the retwist. I'm recording off my phone right now because, like a fool, I forgot to delete footage off my camera. But, you know, we move. So, my guy, tell him how you feeling. Tell him about the update.
You know, I'm feeling good. A lot of hair.
So, a lot of people ask me kind of how long it takes for your hair to lock up. what people do to get their hair to lock faster, and why don't you just tell the people what you do?
I sleep. Honestly, don't touch your hair. It don't really matter. Like, especially me, because I don't really care about how my hair looks. That's why I can go 4 months without a retwist. It doesn't really matter to me. I just, you know, I just go around, put a bonnet on sometimes, put a do-rag on sometimes. It actually helps if you don't sleep with a do-rag or bonnet. It's gonna look frizzy or messy, but that's obviously personal preference if you want to clean up or whatever. But me, I just, you know, just live naturally, and it'll take time. I mean, as you can see, it's almost locked for me, but you just let it do what it does. There's no fast route. You need time. That's all that's gonna help.
So you don't really do much maintenance, am I right?
No, not at all.
Just oiling every once in a while,
Wash it every 1 month, maybe 2 weeks if I've been doing a lot. That's it. Don't really do much. I haven't been using oil, but I'm gonna start now because I do want to like, it was kind of dry when I did my retwist out. I'm gonna be using more oil. I use the wild growth hair oil personally, but
I be telling y'all, wild
personally,
I tell these niggas every time. Link in the description, first link in the bio. Y'all got it. Y'all go ahead and cop the wild growth. #1 oil choice of RAZZAQ YT online.
Yep.
Y'all gonna see all I want on this channel.